Now, I'm all for do-it-yourself work. However, some of these code violations and things that you see in this unit is exactly why you want to make sure that you're either hiring someone that knows what they're doing and can do it to code, or that you research and understand the codes and make sure that you're doing it correct. So take a look at what was done here. This is the panel. They've got number 10 wire coming into the panel, and then someone ran a 50 amp circuit because they wanted a jacuzzi outside. They didn't connect it to the panel correctly. They ran the wire, just kind of strung it up there, looped it up, and then ran it to a box out here. Now, every time that jacuzzi would have come on, this breaker would have been sufficient. However, the breaker that supplies this panel would have tripped every single time. Take a look at this vent here. This vent was just run up to the E vent. And a lot of that venting was just going to the attic. That is not to code. And take a look at the charred wood over here. Whatever plumber was doing this work did not use a heat blanket as they should have to protect the wood behind the solder. Then they ran this 1.5-inch pipe with multiple elbows, elbow, elbow, elbow. Then they ran it exposed over here with another elbow. And all those elbows could cause backup. Not just that, you can't have an exposed pipe like that. The good news is we're gonna completely remodel this space, and we're gonna convert this old garage into a proper ADU. We're gonna add new insulation. We're gonna add new drywall everywhere. We're gonna add new HVAC, a mini split 3-head system. We're gonna add new electric, new panel with a meter, and this is gonna be completely to code and inspected by the time we're done with this.